5 benefits of investing in opportunity zones. Welcome back to the channel. Opportunity zones are a type of investment that is uniquely suited for real estate investors. For the uninitiated, opportunity zones are tax breaks in certain areas that incentivize investments into businesses or properties that have been overlooked by other investors. The tax incentive can be used to reduce your taxable income, and because they come with low-risk qualities, they make an excellent investment tool for any investor looking to diversify their portfolio. In this video, we will discuss 5 benefits of investing in opportunity zones. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. First, opportunity zones are a great way to lower the tax rate on your property. Opportunity zones allow investors to defer the taxable gains of a property and reinvest those gains into opportunity zone investments. This can be extremely beneficial for real estate investors like yourself, and you will not have to pay a capital gains on any new properties that you buy with your previously uninvested funds. The second benefit is perhaps one of our favorites. Second, opportunity zones allow you to offset other gains that might come from real estate investments and reduce any losses you might suffer as well. Opportunity zones are great because they allow you to reduce your taxable income in other ways too. Opportunity zone investments can be used alongside real estate losses to offset any gains that come from the sale of businesses or property. The third benefit is another favorite. Third, opportunity zone investments often attract investors who would not be willing to invest in an area without them due to high risk, allowing opportunity zones to be a safer investment. Opportunity zones tend to attract investors who might not want to invest in the opportunity zone without incentive, but may be willing to take on greater risk when it comes time to sell their opportunity zone gains. This fourth benefit is also great. Fourth, opportunity zone investments can help you diversify your portfolio and contribute towards financial security for the future. Opportunity zones attract investors who might be willing to take on greater risk, and opportunity zone investments can help you diversify your portfolio by engaging in new types of investments. Opportunity zones are great for people interested in investing their money into something that could better themselves or their families financially. This final benefit is another favorite. Fifth, opportunity zones are a great way to invest in local communities by investing directly into real estate within those areas. This is a great way for investors who cannot afford commercial properties to get. Opportunity zones are a little-known tax tool that can be beneficial for any real estate investor, and in this video we discussed 5 benefits of opportunity zone investments. That's all for today. Please comment below with other questions or comments about opportunity zones. Please like and subscribe to see other videos. Thanks for watching.